everyone, this is Vijay. Today I got selected in Moody's Analytics with a package of 3 LPA. So I'm going to take you all to my journey through the VE vision. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Vijay Dev Burma. I belong to Shantir Bajar, south of Tripura. I did my BTech in electrical engineering from NIT Agartala. And yes, I was looking for a job for the last few years. And through one of my friends, I joined eVision. And then after joining eVision, they taught us about basics of networking, CCNA, cybersecurity, Linux, ITIL, and troubleshooting issues, which really helped me in the interview process. And after 2-3 rounds of interview, today I'm selected for Moody's Analytics as a desktop support engineer with a package of 3 LPA. I hope you guys also join eVision and get to learn and get new placements every week. Thank you.